If you're over 50 and relying on BCAAs to protect your muscles, this message is especially for you. There's a big myth out there that more amino acids always means better results. But the truth is, your body needs the right support, not just more of anything. Today, we're putting BCAAs and creatine head to head, and the actual winner may surprise you. Walking into a supplement store after 50 can feel like the Wild West. Everything promises miracles. Bright labels, bold claims, but very little clarity for people our age. Choosing the wrong supplement doesn't just waste money, it steals motivation too.
The problem is, a lot of these popular supplements are all sizzle and no steak, promising the world but failing to deliver for our specific needs. Marketing shouts, but the science often whispers. This confusion can lead you down a path of frustration. Picking the wrong supplement isn't just a drain on your wallet, it's a drain on your motivation. It can mean watching your strength slowly fade, feeling tired all the time, and dealing with that quiet frustration of doing everything right but seeing zero results. It's the difference between hoisting your groceries out of the car with ease and struggling with tasks that used to be simple. But today, we're cutting right through all that noise. We're putting two of the biggest names in muscle support in the ring: branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, and creatine. We'll look at the real science for people over 50 and give you a clear, definitive answer on which one actually deserves a spot in your daily routine. Let's start with the one you've probably seen everywhere, BCAAs. That stands for branched-chain amino acids, and it refers to three essential aminos: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. They're essential because your body can't make them. You have to get them from protein-rich foods like meat, dairy, and eggs. The sales pitch for BCAAs is incredibly convincing. They're sold as the direct building blocks for your muscles. Leucine, in particular, is famous for kicking off something called muscle protein synthesis. Basically, it's the foreman on a construction site telling the crew to start building. Sounds perfect, right? Well, here's where it gets a little complicated for us. Let's use an analogy. Imagine you want to build a sturdy brick house. You need the whole set of materials: bricks, mortar, wood, windows, the works. BCAAs are like showing up to the job site with just three specific types of bricks. Are they essential? Absolutely. But you can't build a whole house with just bricks. You need the mortar and the wood too. To build muscle effectively, your body needs all 9 essential amino acids, not just the 3 in a BCAA supplement. Now, this doesn't mean they're useless. Far from it. Some recent studies show that for older adults, BCAA supplementation can modestly improve strength, take the edge off fatigue, and even help alleviate depressive symptoms, especially when paired with exercise. They play a role in signaling your muscles to grow and can help prevent muscle breakdown. But here's the catch. If you're already eating a decent amount of protein, you're already getting those building blocks. Taking extra BCAAs is unlikely to be the game changer for building new muscle mass that the marketing promises. So if BCAAs are just a few of the building blocks, let's talk about powering the entire construction site. That's creatine. Creatine is a natural compound your body already makes and stores in your muscles. Its number one job is to help rapidly regenerate your body's main energy currency, a molecule called ATP. Think of your muscle cells like tiny rechargeable batteries. Every time you do something that requires effort, like standing up from a chair or lifting a grandchild or hitting a set of squats, you drain that battery's charge. Creatine is like a rapid recharging station, letting your muscles produce energy faster and for longer. For seniors, what this means is huge. The research on creatine for older adults isn't just good, it's extensive and overwhelmingly positive. Study after study shows that taking just 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate a day, especially with resistance training, significantly boosts lean muscle mass, strength, and day-to-day functional mobility. We're talking about real-world benefits, like improved lower body strength, which is absolutely critical for maintaining balance and preventing falls. And the benefits don't stop there. Exciting new research also points to creatine supporting bone mineral density and the health of our cellular powerhouses, the mitochondria. Unlike BCAAs, which offer an incomplete piece of the puzzle, creatine provides a foundational benefit. It doesn't just offer a few bricks, it powers the entire workforce, making every single movement you do a little bit stronger. It directly fights sarcopenia by giving your muscles the fuel they need to work harder and adapt and grow. Okay, before we crown a winner and get to a surprising brain-boosting benefit, a quick note. We're dedicated to giving you clear, science-backed information to help you thrive after 50. If you're finding this no-nonsense breakdown helpful, do us a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We have a whole series coming up on senior nutrition you won't want to miss. So far, it's all been about muscle, but healthy aging is about so much more than physical strength, isn't it? It's about staying sharp, energized, and metabolically healthy. And this is where the gap between creatine and BCAAs turns into a canyon. Let's talk about your brain. Your brain is an energy hog, devouring about 20% of your body's total energy. And just like your muscles, it runs on ATP. A growing body of evidence strongly suggests that creatine supplementation can improve cognitive function in older adults, especially in areas like short-term memory and processing speed. Think of it like giving your brain the extra juice it needs to run more efficiently. And what about BCAAs? Their cognitive benefits are pretty limited. They might help reduce mental fatigue during a marathon or a really long workout, but there's very little evidence they offer any broad day-to-day cognitive boost for seniors. On the metabolic front, creatine, again, shows more promise. Studies have found that when combined with exercise, creatine may help improve how your body handles blood sugar. It also helps reduce those general feelings of fatigue, improving your overall energy levels throughout the day. All right, after laying out all the evidence, it's time to call it. If you're over 50 and you have to pick just one supplement to support your muscles, your energy, and your overall health, the science is clear-cut. The winner is creatine. Let's quickly recap why. Creatine provides a powerful multi-pronged attack against the challenges of aging. It directly fuels your muscles for tangible gains in strength and power. It supports your bone health, and it even offers significant, promising benefits for your brain to help you stay sharp. And where does BCAAs leave then? Think of them as a specialty player, not your all-star quarterback. They can be helpful in specific situations, like if your protein intake is consistently low or if you're battling extreme soreness and fatigue from a new workout program. But for foundational, everyday support, creatine is simply in a different league. Ready to give creatine a try? Here's the simple no-fuss guide to doing it right. First, stick with creatine monohydrate. It's the most researched, most effective, and by far the most affordable form. Second, the dose is simple. Take 3 to 5 grams per day. You might hear about a loading phase of 20 grams a day, but for most people, it's not necessary and can sometimes cause an upset stomach. Just starting with a small daily dose is perfectly effective. The key is consistency. Take it every single day. The timing doesn't really matter. Mix the powder in water, juice, or a smoothie whenever it's convenient. And one crucial tip. Creatine helps pull water into your muscles, so make sure you're staying well hydrated throughout the day. And now for the most important piece of advice in this entire video. Always, always, always talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. This is non-negotiable. Creatine is one of the safest and most studied supplements out there, but if you have pre-existing kidney issues or other health conditions, you absolutely need to get medical clearance first. So, to wrap it all up, while BCAAs get a ton of marketing hype, their benefits for most seniors are situational. Creatine, on the other hand, is the clear champion. It's a scientifically backed, safe, and affordable tool that delivers powerful benefits for your muscles, bones, energy, and even your brain. It empowers your body to not just age gracefully, but to get stronger. Now, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. After hearing the science, which one makes more sense for your health goals and why? Your experiences help our entire community learn and grow stronger together. If you found this no-nonsense comparison valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you for watching. and stay strong.
Give us a like, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and come join our community.